All right, so here's number one, just multiplying fractions. So the way we multiply fractions is across the top. 5 times 6 is 30, over 3x times 5 is 15x. And then always reduce. 30 divided by 15 is 2 over x. Okay. Number two is a polynomial. So if we're going to multiply those, we have to factor them first. This was our first lesson on multiplying, or the second lesson on multiplying our rational expressions. So anytime something can be factored, you have to be able to factor it. That's why we did so much factoring review, okay? So on this top here, we have a quadratic. So the factors of negative 48 that add up to 2 would be x minus 6 and x plus 8, all over x minus 6. And then multiplying is essentially, you just combine the two because you just multiply straight across. So when we multiply fractions, the numerator just gets multiplied by the numerator, and the denominator gets multiplied by the denominator. So you can basically just think of it as one big fraction. Okay, and then you just cancel any factors that occur on the numerator and also on the denominator. So x plus 8 is on the top and the bottom. So x plus 8 divided by x plus 8 is 1. X minus 6 divided by x minus 6 is 1. So the only thing left is 6x squared. So that would be your answer for number 2. Okay. Now don't forget on dividing, because some of these are dividing, you have to keep, change, flip. That was on the second video. So if you ever have a over b divided by c over d, you keep the first fraction, you change the sign to multiplying, and you flip the second fraction. And then when you multiply fractions, just like we did on number 1 and 2, you multiply straight across the top. So a times d over b times c, and then obviously simplify accordingly.